Hey everyone, Frederick here. I'm usually not posting much videos, but I have gotten a lot of questions about track making for rFactor 2, so here we go. For motorlabs.com, it's a project of mine. I try to make it my new hub for all sim racing related stuff that needs to be professional to some kind. But just to tell you a little bit, I have made a new tutorial here for Blender only. It's a very short tutorial, to be fair, but it shows the core export to rFactor 2, how easy it can be actually. So on my Patreon, it's completely free access. I don't care. It's very easy to use for me to write and upload images and stuff like that. It's very, very easy to do. I wrote a full tutorial. It's very easy to follow. How to make it and simple, easy stuff, you know. We make basically just one long straight here. I have it open. So that's it. I explain how I map everything, how I do everything. It's no plugins installed or nothing. It's just pure Blender 4.5. Yeah, 4.5 I use for this tutorial. So I don't see any issues. I explain how I did the image textures and stuff like that. I made a complete folder ready, so I will upload tutorial files so you can follow along, see how I did it. So once in game, let us say I take my, I'm working on a GT2, the Velec, a crazy car, V12, also a fictive project by the way. Ignore it, press enter. We are now here together with the safety car. Ignore the sounds because I did not go that route yet, but to show you a little bit, this is actually the Blender file that we made here. If we compare it, it's very easy to understand now. So this cube here, basically the car is pointing to the rear of the y-axis. So if I should rotate it, the cube will be the other side of the car. But you will get the idea, I guess. The car is driving towards this part of the track. So if you see like this, if I accelerate, you see that the car is driving away from it. And to see that the scale works, I actually made a cube here, 1 meter, so that looks correct as well. And the track is 400 meters long, so we started at the center, so you get the idea. So it falls off now because we did drive 200 meters straight. But you get the idea, right? I can make a full tutorial of track making in rFactor, but there are a lot of tutorials, so I don't see any point for that. But I can do it. I can also show maybe how I did the Zolder DLC track for rFactor 2, but nothing weird there. I used 3ds Max for that project, but aside of that, I think you have everything you need here in this tutorial to basically start modeling curbstones, the track sides for grass, stuff like that. You know how it's done now. So I think if you see it like this, it's basically the same in game. But then I discovered the settings here which should be applied to make sure everything is exported correctly. As we see here in game, you see the width of the track is 12 meters. The length is 400 meters. And I needed to basically reset the scale is 1. That's correct, because if you will stretch this, if I would scale it up, you see that something is off here. But basically you always need to do, if everything is correct for you, you need to transform, apply all transforms. Everything is reset now to 1 meter. So basically if I would export this, the track will be now 17 meters wide, 17.4 meters wide and 584 meters long. You can use 3D scenes, which basically I can show you. I made this FBX export. If I open it, just click OK. Everything is here. You see the object name is correct. The material is correct. I did not use any plugins. It's pure Blender only. Okay guys, one final word here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's a mini tutorial, I know, but I guess it gets you going. There's no need to watch 30 minutes of video and stuff like that. Feel free to subscribe here. I can offer a lot more, of course, but it depends on the questions that I get. Feel free to answer on the Patreon. You can drop comments there and stuff like that. So feel free if you have questions. I will answer them as soon as possible. And I hope I can bring more people into rFactor, because it's really one of the best engines out there. But people just did not realize it. And that's the core value here that I wanted to bring. Because it's so easy to make something in this amazing engine, and you need to do it. Let's go.
Thank you for watching.